Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what all I received in my Glamego box for the month of May. So it's very colorful and this box again comes with a magnetic closure. Let me open the box and show you all the products one by one. So the theme for this month's box is Love You Mom. She's like Mommy Bear, cuddle us like a cub. She's like Mommy Elephant, navigate us to light. She's like Mommy Tigress, protect us like a cup. Wow. So this month's Glamego box is dedicated to all our mothers because Mother's Day is around. I have two cards here, and the first card is hashtag date with mom in the best place in your city. It says post any of your pic with mom before 10th of May, tag us on Instagram or Facebook page. This is how the card looks. So you basically need to click a picture with your mom and tag them, tag Glamego on their Facebook page or Instagram. So this month's box is the Beauty Emergency Kit. It's called the Beauty Emergency Kit. And now this is the info card which has all the products list. The first product I have here is from the brand Acne for pimple prevention, Mentho Cool. This is the pimple defense face wash which controls skin heat plus removes excess oil. It is dermatologically tested and it is from Osaka, Japan. It's of 50 grams. It claims to remove 99% acne causing germs. Actually, we received sachets of this particular face wash in some of the subscription boxes. So I've already used the sample of this particular product and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to using this product and I hope it works for me. So the price for this particular product is 99 rupees and it expires in January 2020. The second product I have here is from the brand Wattray. I hope that's how they pronounce it. It's the Wattray Multivitamin and Rejuvenating Night Cream Night Infusion. It is 30 grams of product in this container. I have used this product as well and this is a really good product. I'm happy to receive it and so this product is not for sale. It's made particularly for Glamego. So the price is not mentioned here. In the info card, it says the full size or the 50 ml of this product is worth 2,350 rupees. And in this box, we have 30 ml, which is 1,550 rupees. And now we have the third product, which is from the brand Sear Secrets. It is rambutan, dates, and licorice lip scrub. So we are getting a lot of lip scrubs these days in most of our subscription boxes. So the ingredients are raw cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, licorice extract, rambutan extract, and date extract. The MRP for this product is 261 rupees. and the manufacturing date is March 2018. This contains 8 grams. So those were all the skincare products. Now let's move on to the makeup products. So the first makeup product we have here is from the brand Bella Voste. This is the Perfect Pout Sheer Creme Lust Lipstick. We have already received this product in our previous Glamego boxes, and I've already used this product, but not this shade, of course. So the shade I've chosen here is number 10, Satin Pink, and let me show you the swatch of it. So this is how the packaging looks. This is how the shade is. It's a beautiful mauvey pink color. So this is how the swatch looks. Let me quickly apply this on my lips and show you. So this is how it looks on my skin tone, on my lips. So that was the fourth product. Yes, that was the fourth product. And the final product, which is also a makeup product, is from the brand. This is from the brand Bella Voste again. It is the Bella Voste Premium Nail Enamel. It is a matte nail paint. The shade that I've chosen is number 66, Glamour Hall. Let me apply it on my nail and show you. So this is how the nail paint looks. It's a nude color and it's totally matte. So those were all the products that I received in this month's Glamego box. And
so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe to my channel Poornima Luv Infinity, and also do like and share my videos on your social media. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.